Yo, I'm a fascist, hello dog, my banner dragging. Red flag, yellow sickle, cross, hammer clashing. Mellow as some rapids, fella, you get your ass kicked. Develop the baddest lines like hella traffic. Mine's telepathic, I'm in cellars rapping. I dwell in blackness and Helen Keller fashion. Those with overzealous actions fell in ashes, choking spastic like heavy smoking grasses. Throat full of tablets, most of you know my habits. Dosage max is nowhere close to average. I swallow bottles like a fully open trash bag. Speed in me like a throttle to the ass crack. Beat your head in, death to my enemies. You're on your last leg, I'm a freaking centipede. Move with the crude energy of Bruce Lee. Soon illusions confuse you when you see movement. My kung fu kick through trees. My foot spikes sting and stick to me. Switch stances to the limp-handed mantis. Wrist slanted, slap any man advancing like a bitch standing. Spun high, defy gravity. Battle me at sunrise, the Ninja Academy. Dagger to dagger, stab to be stabbed. You see I'm mad and that's why you lose your bladder. Think back to your past as your life is flashing right before your eyes where my knife was slashing. Blinded, you wait silent for the final death blow, but I escape by climbing. Your sight left broke, I'm ruthless. Leave men crippled, stupid, useless, bleeding, toothless, pissing, puking, losing fluid, smash them. Black and blue and drag them, bruised and battered through the challenge. Shoot them like rabid dogs. When I'm through with them, which one of you would argue with an armed intruder?